Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to deactivate Facebook account. So to do that, let's head over to your Facebook application first. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the three lines icon on the top right. And in here, head over to your settings. You can head over to settings by tapping the settings icon on the top right, but also you can navigate it through settings and privacy drop down box and go to settings. And once you're there, head over to your account center. In here, go to personal details under account settings. Now go to account ownership and control. Head over to the activation or deletion section. Now select your Facebook account. Now make sure you check mark this deactivate account option and just tap on continue. Once you do it, you need to re-enter your password. And once you re-enter your password and tap on continue, your Facebook account will be deactivated. So yeah, this is how you can just deactivate your Facebook account. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.